Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to discuss about the people who say that we are able to understand English language easily, but whenever it comes to speaking English, our mind goes blank and we are unable to speak English. We become unable to speak what to speak and how to speak, you know. So they think a lot of things, and there are many questions arise in their minds, you know. So what is the solution? And many people say that if I am able to understand English language, whatever the person speaks, whatever a person speaks in English, I am easily able to understand English language, there is no problem. But when I try to speak English, then I face problem. Then I unable to speak. How to speak, what to speak? I speak for a little time and then I forget. I speak for a little time and then I stuck. What to speak and how to speak. So in this video we are going to discuss about these kind of things. You know, why people are able to understand English language and why are they not able to speak English. You know. So if I talk about the first thing is understanding English, and the second thing is speaking English. So my friend, first of all, according to the English language, we have to follow these two things to speak English. Like, first of all, we should have capability to understand English language. First of all, listen to me carefully. Speaking English and understanding English, both things are completely different. Both skills are completely different skills, you know. So my friend, first of all, we have to polish up our understanding skill, understanding English, you know. First of all, we have to understand English. Whatever a person is speaking in English, if you are able to understand whatever he is speaking or she is speaking, if you are able to understand all the things, so it means you are lucky. You are able to understand and you have completed your one task, you know. And now you should move forward for speaking English, right? So understanding English is also very important, you know, because from because we take a lot of time, you know, to understand English. When I was a beginner, when I used to try to understand English, when I used to watch a lot of videos on YouTube just to learn English, just to understand English, even if I wasn't able to understand all the things, you know. But what happened actually, I kept trying, I kept listening, and I thought that one day I will understand and I will speak, you know. So I used to just listen English a lot. But one mistake I made, I'm going to share with you. See my friend, what happens actually, when we are able to understand English language little bit, we don't observe it. Just this is the thing. This thing happened to me. I'm sharing with you so that you could not have to face the same problem again, you know. So my friend, listen to me carefully. When I was just able to understand some of the things in English, so I did not used to observe English. I did not used to speak after the speaker. I did not used to speak. I did not used to repeat, you know, after the speaker. And I did not used to observe English, right? I used to just listen, and yes, I used to think that yeah, I am able to understand all the things. There is no problem. But I did not used to practice, you know. So my friend, if you are understanding English language, must remember one thing. Just observe English. Whatever he is speaking, whatever he or she is speaking, just observe and try to know where you are making mistakes, where you are lacking, you know, where you are lacking. So just understanding English, listening English is all about observing English, you know. Be attentive while listening English, you know. Just you should listen English with your fully attention. Getting the point? You should listen English attentively. Okay. So it is our first task to speak English. If you really want to speak English language, so first of all, you should be a good listener. You must be a good listener first of all, okay? And then you will be able to understand, then you will be able to speak greatly, you know. Still I am just learning, I'm speaking, and because of not focusing so much on English, today I am making mistakes, and I am just facing a lot of problems while speaking. I am struggling while speaking English, you know. So that is why I am saying that, my friend, just try to speak and try to listen English with fully attention and observe it, okay? Whatever you are listening, just write it down in your notebook. If you are unable to understand something, any vocab, any phrase, any sentence, just try to listen it again if you are unable to understand at once, you know. So if I talk about the second thing, is speaking. So speaking is all about whatever we speak. I mean, speaking comes by speaking, it is the thing, okay? If you speak, then you can speak. And see, speaking comes just because of practice. The more we practice English, the more fluent we become, you know. Before some time I used to face a lot of problems while speaking English. Even I wasn't able to hold the conversation longer than 5 minutes, any conversation, you know. If see, for example, today I'm speaking in front of this camera. Before some time, when I used to try to record my video, I used to record a lot of videos to record only one video, you know. And then I used to be able to record one video after deleting a lot of videos, after making a lot of videos, you know. So speaking comes by speaking, speaking comes by practicing. Getting the point? First of all, we will have to practice for speaking English. Getting the point? So my friend, if I talk about speaking, so for speaking English language, we should have patience, you know, and we should have motivation as well. There should be a purpose, you know. There should be a purpose for speaking. It should be a habit. It should be a very, I would say, strong habit that you should not leave, that you should not miss, you know. Every single day you should speak English language if you really want to become a fluent speaker. Getting the point? Never ever break the consistency. It asks resilience, it asks patience, it asks passion as well, you know, for speaking English, for becoming a fluent speaker, you know. So my friend, just try to speak every single day. And understanding English, you know what, we have been listening English language since our childhood. We used to listen, we used to try to understand English in our childhood, in our schools, in our colleges, right? So that is why we are able to understand English, okay? But when it comes to speaking, so we face problems because we are not speaking, we are not recalling the same thing. Whatever we are speaking, we can speak just because of, if something is here, then we can speak from here, right? So whatever we are listening, we are unable to keep all the things inside it at once. Getting the point? See, if you are able to keep something in your mind, then you are able to speak that thing easily. But if something is not here, then you cannot speak from here, okay? So first of all, just fill something, fill the sentence, fill the vocabs, fill the words, fill all the things whatever it requires, and then you will be able to speak. No, from here you will be able to recall, from here you will be able to speak English easily, and you will be able to speak fluently. I know very well that I'm not speaking well, and I am not a very kind of fluent speaker. I'm also learning, I'm also a learner, you know. So just these kind of things I'm talking about, so that if you are making these kind of mistakes, so my friend, just try to know about these things. and try to follow the right method so that you could not have to face the same problems, that is why I am saying. So speak every single day and don't break the consistency and don't be impatient, don't lose your motivation. If you are unable to speak English, if you are unable to see the good result in your English, like you may be saying that I have been learning English for a long time, but I'm not achieving fluency, I'm not seeing the good result in my English, so don't be worried about it and don't think that you are not going well. Just it happens to everyone, it happens to many people who start learning English language initially. So my friend, just try to be patient and try to speak it every single day. Don't break the consistency, and in the end of the day you must be able to speak English fluently. Just keep doing and keep going and keep speaking. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.